Sumit, what's your sense now coming in for the energy space at these current levels? How would you want to trade today?
Well, Manisha, hi. Well, among energy, I think crude looks good to me. I don't think that these are the levels where we should initiate a sell position in crude. Crude has major support at around 55-40 levels. As far as NYMEX levels are concerned, crude has psychological support at around $90. And today we had a news that there has been an airstrike from US. So because of this, I think there can be some pullback rally in crude from present levels. So for trading perspective, one can initiate long position in crude at around 55.80 or 5600 levels, which is the current market price. And on the lower side, one can maintain a stop loss of around 55.40 levels for the initial target of 56.40. On MCX, crude has resistance at around 56.40 levels. Once when prices give clear breakout above 56.40, and if crude is able to give close above 56.40 levels, then a fresh upside rally can be seen, which can take crude prices to 5750 and 5800 levels. So overall, I feel dips in prices in crude should be used as buying opportunity with a stop loss at 55.40 levels.
Sumit, how would you look at the base metal space? Because that is an area that saw declines quite sharply yesterday, but since the Chinese PMI numbers have come, you have seen a rebound here as well. So while it's not the individual fundamentals, but the macro number that really has seen a support to the prices, how long do you see that running as well?
Well, Manisha, on charts, I can see that none of the base metals are looking promising to me. But among base metals, lead is the only commodity, or with lead you can say nickel and lead. These are the two commodities which have given some pullback rally from lower levels. I'm not that keen to sell none of the base metals at these levels. I feel among base metals, lead should be a good commodity in which one should initiate a call. Either one can initiate long position in lead at around 125.50 levels with a stop loss to be placed at 124 levels, or if lead gives breakout above 127, then one should initiate a long position in lead with a stop loss to be placed at 126. And on higher side, targets can be 128.50. And if price are able to break and give close above 128.50, then a fresh upside rally can be seen till 130 levels or 131 levels in lead. So for a day or two, for trading perspective, either one should initiate dips in lead around 125, 150 as a buying opportunity, or a breakout above 127 should be used as buying opportunity in lead.